Hey, one of my. Hiya. Hiya, hiya. Hiya. Na, 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 na. Bam. Down. Down. Money is come Mexico. Figure me na imagine na money go. Guys, sambut nyaphila yabo. Hamba kanjani ba umshani hamba kanje? Mina nihamba kanjani ba umshani hamba kanje? Magic phela umshani. Akuyalo. Guys, I wanna drop something, ne? Nizomtshela nina bafethu ukuthi njani yazi. Ithi money is come Mexico. Figure mina manje nina imani go home. Bathi ngi-top ngi-high ni below. Kuthi ngi-ghost yani nami bengaboni. Kumba kasikha. Plastic. No move. Alright. Ngicala manje ngiqale track. Manje no plastic lentini. Ha? Okay, khona ngangifaka kwesinye isikhwama mfethu, but ngangifake la. Ukhiphi lo ubeka. Awubeka. Awulahle. Usebenzisile noma ulahlile? Hayi, ukhona ubhuti ocelayo manje usho nje usebenzisile. Hey, lutho uqhabathi ukhona mfethu ulahliwe. Right. Manje ile lento. No, nje ucunga. Usizo. Manje. Yeah, lafani be malini. Lafani. Eh. I want suppose. All right. Awe sibusiso. Uyazi bengisathi ngidrophola yini. Angiphazamisa uba futhi bengibheda. Futhi la yini bami bebebheda. Futhi nami bengibheda. Lola yini bebebheda. Futhi sonke besibheda. Ngiphila njani? Khona. Guys, ukuthini? Ngizoba live ngo-9 nje ngizoba live ngiyaphuma manje. Ngizoze ngibe live ngo-9 sengizonzisa ihit yami ke lapho. Wait. Hey man.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Do you speak Zulu? Do you understand
No, I
Zulu?
don't know how to. Oh, you're from South Africa?
Oh yeah, man. Obvious.
I don't understand Zulu.
Obvious, man. You don't understand Zulu. Hey shit, man.
I don't understand Zulu.
Okay. I wish you understand Zulu, man. I was about to rap in Zulu.
You can rap in Zulu, maybe. Anyways, I like Zulu songs. You can just rap in Zulu. That would be nice. It's okay.
but you won't get a release.
You can
What
rap
if
in
I
Zulu.
diss you? What if I diss you?
What if you it's okay cause okay guys, wait guys, abangelapo muzulu kapenai chifukwa ineyo to say the truth. Iye izomanga abangelapo ine sindimve adatha kundidisa. Komano abangelapo he should not rap.
Eh, even
They are saying that he should rap. Do it. And he should rap. Some of my followers know Zulu, so they'll be translating.
hey, but I'm too fast. I don't think they will like get it. Okay, fine.
They will. Just do it.
Alright, okay. In 3, 2, 1, and then boom. Keep a look. Yeah. As I said, guys, it's okay. Channel leads. Ngabo 8. Kelago 9. Ngabo 9. Kelago 8. Ngabo 8. Kelago 9. Ngabo 9. Kelago 8. Ngabo 8. Kelago 9. Ngabo 9. Kelago 8. Yeah, okay, channel 8.